How to enable dark mode in Microsoft Word, Microsoft Office, Excel. We will go through Microsoft Word. Open any Microsoft Word page which you want to change or enable dark mode theme. Here from the left side top menu bar, go to Files, click on More and choose Options. Here from the left side you will find General Settings. Click on General Settings. Thereafter scroll down and go to the section. Scroll down and you will find Office theme under personalize your copy of Microsoft Office. Here click on Office theme and choose dark gray, and you can see your Microsoft Office, Microsoft Word theme will successfully change to dark mode. Same procedure will be applied for Microsoft Excel and other Office programs.